Hi there guys, so a friend of mine, PLA Fuser, who is a street artist, asked me if I was able to help him out with something. She wanted to study a location where he was going to place his new fat bust, adapted from Bust of Dionysus from my latest video. If you are into street art, check him out because his approach is definitely interesting. So, he captured 55 photos with his smartphone and sent them to me and asked if I was able to reconstruct it, prepare it somehow and print it for him, so he was able to keep some kind of a study. Okay then, so I've jumped to Metashape, brought it to life, and for a few photos and for a really cheap smartphone, it retained a very good amount of detail. I was really happy with it, so from there I went to Mesh Mixer to properly orient it and cut the excess parts, and since he already had the model ready, he sent it to me to try it out to see digitally how it could work. With Mesh Mixer done, I took it to Cinema 4D to create a base so it could stand properly despite the terrain. Just grabbed the edge of the surface, extruded it, and then pushed it down and closed the hole. Now at least I already have a somewhat choppy and rough platform. From Cinema 4D, let's go to Zbrush, just for one reason. It's way smoother to do booleans, and what I wanted here was to be able to cut the terrain within a circular shape. Also very simple and straightforward. Appended the cylinder and with the live boolean on, and it's done, quick and easy. I guess I made a lot of jumps and eventually one or two completely unnecessary, but this was the workflow that I've used for this, and doing this kind of stuff late at night just don't help. For the final stage, again to Mesh Mixer, to scale, trim and fix one or two things and prepare it to 3D printing. I have printed it with low quality settings, but for me it was decent enough, and for my buddy it was more than enough, his own words. By the way, I have also printed a small scale bust so he could see how it would interact and well, so he could keep it as a memory at least. Well, this was a different video, much more focused on the final result rather than the process, but I found that it would be interesting to document it and try to do something with this. Hope you guys liked it, see you in the next video.